Hello, everyone. My name is Camila Silva. I am master student at the Universidad Nacional Autónoma de México, UNAM, in Morelia. I will talk about a tool to simulate metagenomic data and evaluate assembly metrics and taxonomic classification, called PyMetaSeem. I will give a brief introduction to the problem and the explanation of the work done along with the expected results. An, an open problem is distinguish the quality of the assemblage and the correct taxonomic assignment of metagenomic data. On the other hand, when we have similar species present in a sample of metagenomic data, this classification is more complicated. For this reason, it is essential to have a data set that adapts to the condition of contain similar species and system for rating the quality of this data. A metagenomic data simulator was created from trimmed reads of genomic data. The simulator is intended as a conda environmental, easy to use, and free to the public, since other known simulators such as PyMetaSeem have installation and implementation difficulties. PyMetaSeem receives a set of files with different genomes, which are covered into a dictionary containing each nucleotide sequence as a value and is a name or identifier is as a key, which facilitate data management in Python. Then, random in reads of a given length n are cut from the nucleotide sequence. The quality of the reads obtained is a simulate and a FATSQ file is created that shows the metagenomic data with the respective rate. We applied our results to simulate metagenomic data obtained from real public genomic data sets of resource crops such as tomato, potato, chili, and maize, discriminating between various species of Clavibacter. Clavibacter is a genus of Actinobacteria whose different species can infect plants such as grass, wheat, pepper, alfalfa, corn, potato, and tomato. Clavibacter has species close to each other, so they are difficult data for the objective. We want to optimize the metagenomic assembly and taxonomic classification metrics. Therefore, we create a comparison algorithm between the outputs different taxonomic classifiers like Kraken and Kaiju. There are several taxonomic classifiers of genomic sequence, such as Kraken, where we compare how well they classify at the desired taxonomic level. Real genomes and simulate metagenomic data are used to access the accuracy and taxonomic classifiers and assemblers. We obtain a taxonomic comparison table between different assigners and measures of the quality in the segment at any taxonomic level. N50 is a measure used to assess the contiguity and quality of assembly of genome. The contexts in assembly are sorted by size and added together, starting with the largest. The size of the context that makes to the total greater than the equal 50% of the genomic science is correct. We want to extrapolate this measure for metagenomic data, defining a more suitable measure for this. Since this measure works well for genomic data, but not in metagenomics. These are reference, and thanks for your attention.